welcome again to this video. So in this video we will going to discuss about the one of the most important questions which is asked in the interview. So in the interview most of the time they will tell you about the one of the sample list, and you have to remove all the duplicates because this list is contains some of the items are duplicates. So how to remove the duplicates items from the list and keep only the unique items. Okay, so let's see how it's working. So first of all you have to convert into the set, because set is always contain the unique items, right? So in that case just print convert set this temp, right? So basically set will convert all the list item into the set. Okay, set data type, and set data type is always contain the unique items. This is the property of the set. Okay, but you have to remove the duplicate, right? So how you are going to be remove that? So in that case you just use the output. Okay, output is equal to set and pass this variable temp. So it will convert this list into the set, and that set is contain the unique number, but you need to get the output as a list, right? So you have to back to convert into the list. You got my point? So you have to remove the duplicates and keep it is as a list, right? So first of all convert into the set, it will remove all the duplicates, and then again convert back into the list. And if you are going to print this output variable, okay, output variables, so it will remove all the duplicates from this list. If you see that this contain all the unique number 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this input was contained, these are the duplicates like 3 2 6 6. And now in the output variables we are getting only the unique number. So this is the way to remove the duplicate. I hope you understand this concept. Thank you so much.